is non-vegetable. Sorry, correct me if I'm wrong. Or we call it mengkudu, sayur mengkudu. And here's the benefits. And the second one is omelette with moringa leaves, or we call it dadar with dadar kelor, maybe. And here's the benefit. Okay, let's get started. First, you have to wash the noni leaves, then slice them. And don't forget to slice the chili, red onion, and tomatoes. Next, we can fry the red onion first and then put the tomatoes and chili. And don't forget to put the main character. Ta-da! Now we move on to the second main use. First, beat the egg until tring. You can add red onion, garlic, and chili on the egg. Don't forget to add moringa leaf into the egg. Then mix it and fry it. Ta-da!